Hey guys, what's up? Zinxxav here, and welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're actually going to be unboxing, setting up, and also taking a closer look at the brand new second generation Apple HomePod. So the new second generation Apple HomePod comes in two brand new colors, the brand new midnight color and the classic white color. So let's dive right in and see all the brand new features and capabilities the new second generation Apple HomePod has to offer. So yeah, without further ado, let's go. So this is the brand new second generation Apple HomePod, and I picked mine up in the white color variant for $399 Canadian, and I believe this is $299 USD. So this is the power cable for the HomePod, and the first thing that I actually noticed was that this is actually now detachable. So basically now you can just feed it up the tabletop and then connect it to the HomePod, so it's just gonna look way better, and it's also amazing for cable management in general. So next up here we have the user manual. So it basically just tells you how to connect to the HomePod and also how to set it up. The user manual also tells you what the functionality is for the HomePod, like one tap for pause play, double tap for skip, and hold down for Siri. So now to set up the brand new HomePod, just bring your phone close to the HomePod, and you can also do this by just tapping the top of the HomePod with your phone. So now it's going to tell you to center the HomePod in the selected frame on your phone, so just do what's being shown on screen right now, and yeah, that's it, you're done. So next it's going to ask you to select the location of the HomePod, so like where you're keeping the HomePod, and I'm keeping mine in the living room, so that's what I'm going to select, and then I'm just going to hit continue. And then here you can choose if you do want to transfer settings, and I recommend it because it's just faster, so you don't have to reconnect your Wi-Fi and do everything all over again. So the HomePod takes less than 5 minutes to get fully set up, so now that mine's finally set up now, we can now just move into the sound test and then wrap up with my final thoughts and impressions. So that was the best sound quality that I have ever heard. So the second generation Apple HomePod is a really good product in terms of sound quality and everything, but I feel like this product is more marketed towards the people that are building a home theater setup. So for those people, don't buy one, buy two because of surround sound and spatial audio and everything. But if you just want just a nice simple speaker just on your desk and you're already deep in the Apple ecosystem, then I'm going to recommend you guys to buy the HomePod Mini. Starting at just $99 USD, it is a really good speaker for the price, and it also has many similar features like handoff, temperature sensors, humidity sensors, and more. So thank you all for watching my review on the second generation Apple HomePod, and if you guys really liked today's video, consider subscribing and also hitting the bell. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.